Gnome Shell 3.4 and a super key related shortcut. Is there a possibility to add a custom shortcut containing the super key? For example, I add Gnome Terminal as a custom shortcut and want to apply super plus T. This is also shown, but doesn't work. See Gnome Bugzilla. I read that you have to replace super with mod 4, but I doesn't found the location of the setting in conf. Any ideas?
I had this same problem after upgrading. The conf path is the predefined shortcuts live there. Custom shortcuts live further down under custom key bindings / custom 0 or custom 1 and so on. Changing to in my shortcuts fixed the problem.
I've had the same problem under Debian Wheezy and changed super to mod 4 under conf. Old shortcuts are coming back, but it's still pretty annoying to press the character keys twice. Thanks anyhow. Hope they'll fix it soon.
This Gnome Shell bug report both outlines the problem with super plus key shortcuts and details a hacky workaround which completely fixes the problem for me. This URL. Basically, the issue is that custom shortcuts are handled by Gnome settings daemon which does not pick up the super key properly. The window manager, in this case the Mata, can see the super key. So, Olivier Crit wrote an extension that reads your custom shortcut definitions and passes them up to Mata. I installed the extension and it works great for me. No double key pressing needed like some of the previous commenters were talking about. The extension is not in the official Gnome extensions site because it was rejected. You can read the hilarious reviews over here. This URL, apparently the reviewers are having problems with reading comprehension. However, you can download the extension via comment 33 in the bug report. Unzip the file to your directory, restart Gnome Shell, Alt plus F2, R, and fire up Gnome Tweak tool and enable the extension. You should then be good to go. Edit, one more thing. If you have more than 6 custom shortcuts and activate this extension, a Gnome Shell will explode. The extension had codes in support for 10 shortcuts, but only compiled support for 6. To add support for an arbitrary number of shortcuts, in the schemas directory edit the org.gnome.shell.extensions.command-keybindings.schema.xml file and copy / paste more binding entires. It should be self-evident how to do that, just make sure to increment the binding --hashtag. Then, in the schemas directory run glib compile schemas. Finally, in the extension.js file, find the for let I equals 0, I is lower than 10, I++ line and change 10 to the number of total bindings you set. Now you should have support for lots more custom shortcuts. Phew. No one said Gnome 3 was easy. Oh, wait.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.